So hello friends, today our experiment will be outside our house and not on our workplace, and I am roaming in the parks and in my society for an half an hour and finding a way or a place where I can make my or can do my experiment. So I think so the most stable place is this swing. So let's set our camera over here, and I think so we can perform our experiment here only. So let's bring our material. So for this experiment we need some potassium permanganate and also some glycerin. So first I think so we have to put it into this bowl, or you can say dish. You can also do it on floor, but I don't want to clean mess so which will be there. And then we have to simply add some glycerin into it. I think so it's enough. I think so we have to add a little bit more into it. And now we have to wait for some time. It's gonna take some time, but we have to wait. Oh, something is happening over here. You can see some smoke is coming out. Oh, something is going on here. Oh, you can see some bright flame is coming out of here. It is yellow flame which is coming out. Whoa, that was amazing. It was just one packet of potassium permanganate, but it has produced a lot of smoke and fire. You can see it has a blue flame in it. Oh, it has stopped. So let's move towards the explanation that what has caused this experiment. You can see it is like some burning lava over here. And let's go to the close-up. So let's go back to our workplace for the explanation. After performing this experiment, I went back into the park and did something very weird and crazy. I put some lighters in that ball so that we can see a burst or a blast. So I will be showing that in my upcoming videos. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss that. And let's move towards the explanation. The explanation to this experiment is very easy, and we don't have to write any theory or thesis on this. There was a simple chemical reaction in which potassium permanganate, which was actually KMnO3, reacts with glycerin, which is actually C3H8O3. So when they both react, as potassium permanganate being a very strong oxidizing agent oxidizes with glycerin, due to which after some seconds the glycerin burns into flames and also produced a lot of smoke which we have seen. So it is a simple chemical equation and we don't have to go into mathematics for this. So thanks for watching.